Yes.
Wow.
Here we have Bloom Baby Pops. Let's see. So here we have a surprise babies, and we have to see how many will pop. How many do you think will pop, Miriam? Guess. 1, 2, 3, or 4. 4. How many do you think, Joshua? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
No.
Okay. So let's open it. We have to guess which one of them. Wow, are we going to get? So this is how we do it, okay? We have to sprout them. Let's put them here. Let's put them here. You're gonna pull it and you're gonna say, do you think it's a girl or a boy? Girl or boy? Let's find out. Pull. Pull. Ah. Oh my goodness. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh my goodness. Let's see the tiny baby. It's so cute. Yes, so cute. Joshua, pop one. You ready? You think it's a girl or a boy? Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, let's see yours. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Let's see it. Oh, shush. So cute. Oh, she's crying. Oh, look at the tiny baby. Now, Miriam, go. Pop. Joshua, your turn. Pop. Okay, let's open them. What did you get, Miriam? Let me see that tiny baby. So cute. So Miriam didn't have a baby. It had accessories. Okay, so this is the last one. Pop it. Oh, yay. Let's see. Let's open it. What do you think it is? A girl or a boy? Let's see. Oh my god, so cute. So you guys, we got 4 babies. Look how cute. One is crying. One baby's crying. Oh, you hear that baby cry? Oh my gosh, this was so cool. Let's put them to bed. Good night. Boop. Good night. Boop. Boop. Guys, there's something else inside. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It's a room. Wow, you guys. This is awesome. It's the baby's bedroom. It comes with a bathtub. It comes with a bed. Wow, so cool. Whoa, stairs. Whoa, tiny bed. Let's see. Oh, you want to put him to bed? Good night, baby. So cool.
There's something inside too.
Oh my God, what is this?
They're squeaky.
Squishy? It had a squish inside. Yes, let's see. So it also came with a costume. It came with a bathtub. It came with a bed. And it came with a stroller. What is Marshmallow Guy doing with the stroller? What is Marshmallow Guy doing with the baby? Marshmallow Guy, what are you doing?
I'm not evil, why?
You're not gonna eat the baby? And what are you gonna do?
Father.
Yeah, Marshmallow Guy is gonna be the baby's mommy. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, he's spoiled.
Oh, Marshmallow Guy, you're so sweet. Oh, what do we have here? We have a pool, you guys. Here, it's a pool for them to swim. Look at this. So, you pop it. You see what it is. Then you pull it down and you get a surprise. And then you can put them on out of their swatter off and they can swim. And that's how we know if it's a girl or a boy. And then they can go swimming. Let's see if they're girls or boys. And I'm gonna put water on it. Please. Okay. Okay, you guys, let's do a gender reveal. What do you guys think is this baby? Boy or girl? Let's find out. Let's put it in the water. And let's find out. I'm swimming. I think I'm a girl. Okay, so we have our clothes. Put it right there. Let's see baby number 2. What do you think here? It's a girl or boy? And what do you think, Joshua? Girl or boy? Okay, let's find out. Okay, so I forgot that it needed ice, cold water. So I just put ice. So we find out if they're girl or boy. You just have to wait and see. You guys, if you think they're girls, press the subscribe button. If you think they're boys, like this video and give it a thumbs up. Ooh, let's find out. We have 3 already. Let me put some more ice. Okay, let's see number 4. Okay, let's go number 4. Whee! So guys, we have to find out and see if they're girls or if they're boys. But she's crying. She doesn't like ice cold water. It's a boy! Let's see, Joshua. It's a boy, you guys. It's a boy. Another boy. We have 2 boys. Wait, we have these 2. They're not ready, but we think they're girls. Let's see. Let's see. Ah, it's a girl and another boy. We have. Wait. We have 3 boys and 1 girl. So awesome. This is so cool. I like it a lot. It's such a fun time. Why is he crying? Okay, so let's go to the pool. Wee! Wee! So cool! Whoa! Splash, 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 splash. Cool! That is so awesome, you guys. So,
put water inside.
okay.
I'll put the water inside. Why the baby is happy?
Let's see. He's so happy.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh.
Maybe the baby.
Let's do the subscribe challenge. If I can hit Mirian with this baby, you give this video a thumbs up. 1, 2, 3. Boom! I hit her. Ah!
I hit one.
Yeah, so cool, you guys. Whoa!
He's going to beat the boy.
You're going. Okay, so let's see Marshmallow Man party.
He wants to destroy it.
He wants to destroy the party? No, Marshmallow Man, you cannot do that.
He did.
Where's Batman? Batman! You kick him? Good.
No, he's good.
Marshmallow Man was defeated by a tiny baby in blue diapers. Oh my god, these kids are so evil.
He's going to destroy the boy.
These kids just kick me. Oh look, the Ghostbuster. Ghostbuster, he's swimming with the babies. You're my best friend. You defeated Marshmallow Man with a kick. Bye, Marshmallow Man. And in all of this, Batman did nothing. Well, I guess he was hiding more crime.
Yeah.
Okay.
He was fighting the boy crying.
Oh, look, guys. Let's put the costume. Let's put the babies in costumes. Oh my God, you guys, it's a tiny bee. Let's go with the bee to eat the flowers, Miriam. Go, look at the flowers. Go, bee. Let's go, bee. Here. Oh my God, baby bee. Marshmallow Man is attacking your brothers and sisters. Come, help, help, help. Ah! Don't mess with the baby. Oh no. Ah! Help, help. Okay, I'm gonna go fight now. I don't want to use violence because violence is not good, you guys. Let's see if I can put some sense into this marshmallow guy. Marshmallow guy.
I'm holding you.
Ah! No! Be peaceful! Peace and love! Peace and love! Come on, marshmallow guy! Let's see if I knock some sense into him.
He's dead already.
Oh! Baby bee, you are the best! You are my superhero!
I'm going away and you fitting me last time.
Bye! Bye, marshmallow guy! See you later, alligator! Guys, the fun is over. It's time to go to sleep, okay? Let's put your pajamas on. Oh, the babies are sleeping in peace. Marshmallow guy, help! Help! Thank you, Supergirl! Thank you, Supergirl! Wow! Wow! You defeated Marshmallow guy. Thanks for coming. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh my goodness, we're never going to get a good night of sleep. Bye, you guys. Goodbye.